Okay, we're going in. Ah, prepare yourselves. This is my pantry. Right now, it's a bit of a disaster, as you can see. This is only, it's not my favorite pantry in the world. I'd like to actually blow out that wall and come into the pantry from the other side and close off this door here and put shelving all up and down there. As it is, I've got these two shelves, and then over here. And one thing that's nice about these shelves is that they were built with canning in mind. And so they're just the right size for pints. These ones, this one I believe that I've got all my herbs and spices on. I think it's probably good for probably my 1.5 jars, I think will fit there. Let's see. Yeah, for sure. And maybe even a 1/2 gallon jar or something. Of course, now that doesn't want to go back on there. It's a little bit crooked. I need that one maybe sturdied. But yeah, so I'm going to be pulling everything out of here and giving it a good clean and reorganizing everything and, yeah, turning it a little bit into a proper pantry that I can actually find things in. So yeah, wish me luck. I'll take you along for the ride. What's that?
I heard you saying that you're going to pull everything out of your pantry. You're going to clean all the shelves. You're going to reorganize it. You're going to make it all pretty.
Yes.
Okay. Since you're storing things in my closet, are you also going to do that with my closet?
Probably not.
That's what I wondered.
No, the stuff that's in your closet is probably just going to stay there.
You're not going to straighten it out?
It is straightened out and organized. There's only 3 things in there.
Well, that's enough to make it worthwhile to pull everything out of my closet.
Oh, and clean it? Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh,
I don't think so, lady. Nice try, though.
You do store things there.
I do.
Don't forget you store things up there.
Yeah, well, I'm going to be pulling. See, this is all my Thrive foods are up on the top there. And I'm actually going to be pulling those down and putting them into the actual pantry where I can get at them a little easier, to use them a little easier.
What are you going to do with all the stuff that's in your pantry?
Well, I'm going to move some of it out of my pantry, like that that coffee maker doesn't need to be sitting in my pantry. Okay. There's that great big giant sized broiler or whatever. Baker that doesn't need to be in there. I've got all that plastic, like I could see having the plastic that we're using right now being in there, but all that extra plastic and Ziploc bags and stuff, that doesn't need to be down in there. That can be put up here.
Go up there.
That's just it. That can go up there, and then we just keep in there what we're using and what's open and store the extra up here.
Okay.
It's driving me crazy.
Okay. I might help you a little bit.
You might.
I might.
You're so awesome.
Oh, I know.
You're the best mom ever.
I have to put a table out here.
I will. I cleared off my table in my craft room again. I'll pull it out.
How come you're doing so many things now?
It's fall.
It's fall.
After fall cleaning.
Oh dear.
And I want to start baking more, but I don't even like to go in there. It just makes me cringe, so.
We don't want that.
Yeah, so I'm trying to reorganize the house because I can only take it being cluttered and messy for so long, and then I have to clean it up. I can take it for a long time.
Don't tell Dave. He won't agree.
He won't agree. He'll think that I can live with clutter forever, but it starts getting to be even too much for me, and I got to do something about it. So
I have to say, though, for all the clutter, underneath it's clean.
Yeah, well, I mean, I do. Like, I pulled everything out probably about 6 or 8 months ago, and cleaned under it and checked everything for any expired dates and stuff like that. And so it's just what happens when it's not organized and you
Well, we ordered a
keep
bunch
putting
of
stuff in there.
I just thought I'd get my closet thrown in.
Yeah, good luck with that. All right, I'm going in. Ugh. Do I start at the top and work my way down, or start at the bottom and work my way up?
You don't have room.
Well, I cleared off most of I might have to do one side and then, I don't know, do the other side.
You need to decide what you're going to put where.
I know.
You might take some from that side and put it on this side.
I think I will, but so once I've emptied this side out, I can clean it and then decide where I want to go from there.
You know what?
What?
My closet, where you have food stored, are you running this thing?
Uh-huh. I think so. I think it's on.
Where you have food stored,
Yes.
why don't you put some of that stuff
This junk up here,
in my closet,
and pull some of that food in here.
put the food into the pantry where it belongs?
Yeah, that would be good.
I'm so smart.
You just are the smartest mom I've got. I have a kitten here who wants... I'm not sure what she wants. I think she wants me to sit down and snuggle with her. But I'm kind of in the middle of something. Do you want me to move that? As you can see, I've got Frank and Tina, Adventures of Frank and Tina, running, on the TV in the living room. They're louder than I am. I don't know what she wants. I am going to turn that down a bit. Not that I think they'll ding me for a copyright, but so I don't have to shout. I'm already shouting over the kitten because I'm not sure what she wants. I've tried giving her food. I wonder if she wants treats. Do you think maybe that's it? She doesn't want food, she wants treats? Come on, let's see. She is so spoiled now. Well, not that she hasn't always been, but even more so now. See, look, I've got some food here for her. It's been sitting there for about 20 minutes or so. She won't even touch that. She tells me she's not very hungry. But let's see what she does with those. She's gonna gobble those all up. Well, I don't know what kind of food that was.
What's the matter?
I don't know what kind of food it was today, but she does not like it. So here's where we sit right now. I have a table full of mostly food. I have all of those plastics over there. These cupboards here are still full. I'm going to be moving all of that food into here because I'm going to be putting all of those plastics and stuff up in there so that I have food in here and other stuff in here. That is my goal. So I got one side done. I still have to clean those bottom couple of shelves, but like this here, I haven't hardly really touched. But a lot of this stuff is going to move over to the other side. And some of it is also going to go up, like the Swiffers, and these are all like empty containers down here. Calendula that I use in my soap. It doesn't necessarily need to be in here, right? So, yeah, I'm going to move a bunch of this stuff and we'll keep going. I'll bring you back when it's done.
There's that sugar.
Yes, I see that. I haven't decided where to put it. Where's the rest of it?
Up there.
Where's the container with the spout?
What? It didn't have, I didn't need it.
Where did you put it?
Oh, Jesus. Can't you look any farther than that?
Oh, well, why did you wash it? It's clean when I gave it to
Why
you.
aren't you done? Huh?
Because I'm slow and I'm old and I didn't finish last night. My back hurt.
I noticed that. But I'm going to stand in there and I'm going to admire my shelves.
Well, no, I'm wondering what to
Like,
put
oh,
where.
look, aren't those just beautiful shelves? It is a nice little pantry. We ain't going to put nothing in it, though.
I'm gonna put everything in it.
When?
Now, I'm working on it.
You're not. You're filming me having a tirade.
Having a tirade.
God. Go to work.
I'll be okay, honey.
When you go to work, we'll do whatever you're supposed to be doing.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay, so progress has been made. I've got all the food down from there, and it's now filled with baggies and Swiffers and garbage bags and lots of empty space. And then when we come into here, look at how organized it is. I'm in love. And look at all of the empty shelf space that I have now that it's all organized. This is where my spices are going to go, and that's the only thing that's left is for me to go and organize my spices and put them. Look at, I've got complete empty shelves. Anyway, I have to go get my spices and put them into proper jars and get them out of plastic. And yeah, but we've got everything we need and we have room. I'm so excited. Now maybe I'll actually cook with some of this stuff now that I can see what I've got. And that, my friends, is that. My pantry is all clean and organized and I can find things in it. And I might actually even bake something. Mom wants to teach me how to make pie crust, of all things. After 57 years of not teaching me how to cook, now she's going to teach me how to make pie crust. So stay tuned for that. Today's shout out is Miss Angie over at Life and More Reloaded. I've got her running right here today on the TV, and Angie does all kinds of stuff from cooking to canning to dehydrating to mushroom hunting. She is always foraging for mushrooms and finding the edible and non-edible ones. So that's quite interesting if you're into that. I know Paula, if you're watching, you are totally into that. So you should check her out. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have yourself a fantastic day. I will see you soon. Bye now.